Selling your home on your own can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. As a professional real estate agent, I'm here to help you reclaim your time and peace of mind by taking the heavy lifting off of your shoulders. One of the biggest reasons to hire an agent is for the marketing power we bring to the table. I have the resources, tools, and expertise to create eye-catching marketing materials that attract the right buyers. From professional photos to listing your home on all the right platforms, I'll make sure that your property gets the exposure it deserves so you can focus on your life without getting caught up in the details. Showings handled. Let's be real, scheduling and hosting showings can eat up a lot of your time. When you work with me, I take care of all of that for you. I'll schedule, host, and follow up with potential buyers to gather valuable feedback. My goal is to keep things running smoothly so that you don't have to worry about a thing. And negotiating deals. That can be very stressful, but I've got you covered. As your advocate, I'll work tirelessly to secure the best possible deal for you. Whether it's negotiating price or navigating tricky situations, my experience ensures that you get the best outcome without all of the headaches. And finally, streamlining the transactions, paperwork, legal requirements, deadlines. There's a lot to keep track of during a real estate transaction. I'm here to simplify the process, making sure that everything is handled correctly and on time so you can rest easy knowing that the details are taken care of. And as an experienced agent, I'm also an effective problem solver. I can anticipate the potential issues and address them before they become major headaches. Whether it's handling unexpected complications or troubleshooting along the way, I'll be there every step to ensure a smooth, stress-free experience. So when deciding whether to sell your home on your own or hire a professional, think about the time, stress, and energy you'll save by working with an expert. And don't let selling your home consume your daily life. I'm here to make the process easier for you. I'm Julie Sabia with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty. If you have any questions or want to chat about how I can help you sell your home, reach out to me directly at 763-257-7231 or send me an email at julie@vikingshomes.com. I'd love to be your go-to resource.